Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by selecting a diagram template or blank drawing so shapes align with your goal. Once done, switch to the Home tab and pick the Line or Connector tool. This choice affects snapping and routing. Click once where the line should start and then move the cursor. This sets direction. If you want a straight segment, click again to end. For multiple segments, click at each corner. Make sure to use grid or guides for consistent spacing and clean alignment as you work. Now refine geometry to make the line precise and visually correct. You can hold Shift while drawing to constrain orientation to 45-degree increments, which keeps angles consistent. Once placed, drag end handles to extend or shorten and drag midpoints to introduce a curve or elbow. Visio recalculates connections. If the line connects shapes, consider swapping to a dynamic connector so routing updates automatically when shapes move. Also, use the size and position window to type exact coordinates and lengths for pixel-perfect accuracy. Finish by styling and securing the line so the diagram reads clearly. Select the line and adjust stroke weight, color, and dash style in Shape Styles to match diagram hierarchy. Once satisfied, glue in points to shapes or group-related objects so movement preserves connections. If routing behaves oddly after edits, reconnect the ends by dragging them to the shape connection points or use the connector tool to reset routing. This forces Visio to recalculate paths. If problems persist, toggle layout options or restart Visio to clear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.